Na nijitagwo Muthoni wa Wambugu na karibu sana na nigetha ngoro ngigutamburukiria mamwe ma maria tukuhaririirie akiri mohoro maitu Gikunjuro na Gikunjuro geni oro ringi maya akatwambe tumurike maria tukuhaririirie na nigetha tuko tugitamburukia mohoro maitu na njira ndaya. Mĩciĩ ĩtanyiheire 800 na mahiũ 50,000 kaunti-inĩ ya Kajiado kũgunĩka na tabarĩra ya maĩ ma ndobori. Arĩithi kaunti-inĩ ya Tana River kũhĩmbĩria ũrĩmi arĩ ta njĩra ya gwĩtiria ũgarũrũku wa rĩera. Na abunge amwe a mwahũ wa Kenya Kwanza kaunti-inĩ ya Embu gũthingata aruna ao a mwahũ wa Azimio gwĩkĩrĩra harĩ mĩhang'o ĩrĩa ĩngĩguna mũingĩ handũ ha kuongerera mĩrũrũngano. Na tukiambiriria mohoro maitu ngunyitio geni oro ringi na no waranirie hamwe na ithuĩ kũhĩtũkĩra Muthingi TV na kũu nĩkuo ũngĩgĩkorwo gĩtũhe mawoni maku. Na tukiambiriria na mohoro maitu nĩ atĩ thutha wa ndereti ya watho wa Kîgîna gũcemanio thĩinĩ wa bunge ya gĩbũrũri rĩu nĩ ĩkorirwo ĩgĩkĩrwo kĩrore nĩ President William Samoei Ruto na gwĩgetha gũkorwo ĩgĩtuĩka watho. Na kũringana na gatiba nĩ atĩ mbere ya gũtuo watho no mũhaka ĩkorwo ĩgĩthomwo maita matatũ mbere ya cikaro cia bunge na nigetha ĩkorwo ĩkĩhĩtũkio nĩ namba nene ya ambunge, na ũguo nĩguo kũragĩkorirwo gũkĩhanĩka. Na maya nĩ mokĩte thutha wa mwaka kana hĩndĩ ĩno mwaka wa Kîgîna ũnyitĩtwo na gũkorwo kĩambĩrĩria tarĩki 1 mweri ũkĩte wa 7 na nigetha gũgĩkorwo gwĩthomwo budget ciumia cigana ũna hĩtũku, na reke twamũkĩre riboti ĩyo.
Basi leo tukiwa Kajiado Central Misigio, tuko na furaha kama serikali ya county kufungua mradi ya maji kwa community ambayo imeathirika kwa shida hiyo. Na mradi hii
gĩtigana na icio ciĩgie kĩgĩna kĩa budget gũgĩkorwo gĩtuo watho muthenya wa ũmũthĩ nĩ president. Tuthie riboti nyingĩ kũrĩa makĩria ma mĩciĩ 800 oro hamwe na mahiũ 50,000 kuma kaunti-inĩ ya Kajiado nĩ matanyĩtwo kũgunĩka na ũtungata wa maĩ, na nĩ kuma kũrĩ tabarĩra ya maĩ na gũkorwo magĩtoborerwo ndobori iria igũkorwo ikĩnyita mbaru kana kũtheremia ũrĩmi kuma kaunti-inĩ ĩno. Na akĩaria thutha wa kũrugũria tabarĩra ĩno itũra-inĩ rĩa Irimisio, governor wa kaunti ĩno Joseph Olelenku augĩte atĩ nĩ gũkorwo arĩ kĩguni kĩnene kũrĩ aikari hamwe na andũ arĩa makoraga na kuona njĩra nene.
Basi leo tukiwa Kajiado Central Misigio, tuko na furaha kama serikali ya county kufungua mradi ya maji kwa community ambayo imeathirika kwa shida hiyo. Na mradi hii tumeilete kama kutimiza ahadi tuliyowekea wananchi wa sehemu hii, na mnafahamu kwamba tumekuwa tukisema tukipanga mambo yetu ya ufugaji, mambo ya kilimo na mambo ya usafi katika town zetu, ile inashikilia ni maji. Badilika kwa hali ya anga, maji imekuwa shida, chakula imekuwa shida, lishe ya mifugo imekuwa shida. Na kwa hivyo hii ni mpango ya serikali yangu kusaidia wananchi waweze kujiendeleza na kushughulikia mambo ya food security. Na ndio basi tunasherehekea kwamba Mungu ametusaidia tuweze kusaidia watu wetu, na niwahimize hawa kwamba katika mpango ya serikali ya maji tunataka kwanza maji yetu nyingi siwe zinaendeshwa na mambo ya sola. Pamoja na sola tunataka pia tukuwe na backup generator ambayo tutaishughulikia kumalizia hapa ili kuhakikisha kwamba hiyo maji inapatikana kila wakati.
Sasa ninashukuru Mungu kwa sababu nimepata maji. Nashukuru Mungu na lengo kwa sababu nimeumia sana kwa hii maji tu. Ng'ombe nimeenda mbali sana, najua nimekosa maji kabisa.
Tunashukuru sana. Hata tulikuwa tunaenda na tulikuwa na mimba, utaenda tu juu hauna maji, hata watoto walikuwa wanateseka.
Kwa kweli tulikuwa tumeteseka sana kwa muda mrefu kwa sababu ya shida hii maji. ng'ombe zetu walikuwa wanaenda kunywa maji kwa vizima, na hizo vizima ziko mbali kwenye zile milima, na kwa kawaida ng'ombe zikikonda hawawezi panda kwenye hizo milima.
Tugitigana na macio ni ati gavana wa Kilifi Gideon Mung'aro ni ati ikinya ria gukinyaniria utungata wa uheani wa thakame mwena wa Karisa Maitha thiini wa kaunti ya Kilifi uria utanyitwo guteithiriria kuhurana na wagi wa thakame kuma mathibitari matiganite. Ni augite mweke uyu gukorwo kigacirithia ugima mwega wa mwiri na kuhotithia kungania mihuko mingi ya thakame iri ta njira ya gukorwo kihonokia mioyo ya andu kuma thiini wa kaunti ya Kilifi.
We have a regional satellite blood bank in Malindi. That facility, the fact that it's placed in Malindi, is supposed to be catering for the entire county. That is a facility that can store up to 3,000 pints of blood at any given time. So we are collecting blood from all over the county, from volunteers, and doing the necessary screening and then storing there, so that whenever it's needed, it's taken to facilities where the blood is needed.
Tunataka tuwe toa damu sio wakati tuna dharura tu peke yake, lakini kila mara. Na kama mnavyojua pia Malindi sasa wamekamilisha ile benki mpya ya kuweka damu. Wamama wengi wajawazito hasa wakati wakiwa lazima wakuzaa wanapoteza damu, ama kuna wengine damu yao ina upungufu na wanataka kufanywa upasuaji wakati wa uzazi. Hii yote itawekwa katika benki ya damu ya Kilifi County, ili tuache desturi ya hospitali kila mara lazima uambiwe kalete mtu wako alete damu. Hospitali inatakana ukiwa na dharura uweze kutibiwa ukihitaji damu bila kutafuta familia. Ndio maana tunahimiza kila mtu atoe, kwa sababu hatutalisahau kama watatoa watu wachache. So tunataka watu wengi wa Kilifi ambao wana uwezo na wana afya na wana kiwango cha damu cha kutoa, ajue damu hii kesho itafaidi mtoto wako, itafaidi ndugu yako, itafaidi mamako. So tunahimiza watu wengi wajitokeze kwa wingi watoe, ili damu isiwe inatafutwa tu wakati mtu ni mgonjwa.
Na riu tukwamba gwikiria ro hanini hamugicokereria ntuguthie na mbere na mohoro mangi maingi maria tukuhaririirie thiini wa mohoro Gikunjuro, na thutha wa kahinda gatari kuraihu tuko tugicokereria.
Kuhagira riko na kuihura ni ibataranagia kugia na rangi na munugo mwega niguo ikaguciriria mucirei, na nikio nyumba ya Mugikuyu ndiagaga itaha ria kugagura mugeni. Tabarĩra-inĩ ya itaha ria maitu tugutaraga njira ya kuruga irio ngũrani na onawe ugakenerera urugi waku. Nyitanagira na Njeri wa Nyakio o kiumia thaa 9 cia hwaĩ-inĩ tukirunga thiri cia urugi guku kwa Muthingi TV, kihumo gĩa gũtherema.
Hihi niwe nere maritwa ta your honor, acquittal, accused, conviction mahuthikaga? Niwe makinya magukinyukia niguo wone kihoto giaku kana kia mwana waku?
Kihoya kihoto kioneke.
Tabarĩra-inĩ ya watho kigeri-inĩ tugakuhe kahinda ga kuria kiuria na gutuhe woni waku.
Uguo ni ona mangĩũka no ndĩmatemange ona thirikari ikirire
nyitanagira nani you are lady wa itherero wa Njoroge thiine wa tabarira ya watho Kigeri-ini tuthome na tuhige hamwe ici ciĩgiĩ watho orodumwe na kihoto guko kwa Muthingi TV arikio kihumo gia gutherema.
Na ngakunyita ũgeni oro rĩngĩ tũgĩthiĩ na mbere na mohoro maitũ ma mĩaraho niĩ njĩtagwo Muthoni wa Wambugu. Tũgĩthiĩ na mbere nĩ atĩ ndũrĩrĩ iria cikaraga mĩena ya bũrũri ĩrĩa ĩkoragwo ĩkĩamũkĩra mbura na gĩkĩro gĩa thĩ nĩ morĩtio gũkorwo mũhari-inĩ wa mbere harĩ gwetha njĩra cia kũrigĩrĩria ũgarũrũku wa rĩera thĩinĩ wa matũũra marĩa o makoragwo magĩikara. Ndũmĩrĩri ĩno ĩheanĩtwo nĩ anyiti itemi sekta-inĩ ya rũhonge rwa rĩera hĩndĩ ya mũcemanio wa gatandatũ wa maũndũ megemainie na rĩera gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ.
Yeah, communities that live in ASAL areas or arid and semi-arid areas face multiple challenges which are further increased by climate change issues. So the lack of water is one of them. You see most of them walking very long distances to be able to have access to water. We see many of them suffering issues of drought, and in some cases, again, when the rains come, we see them being victims of floods. We saw recently in northern Kenya when we had floods last year. It was just happening immediately after they had experienced drought, and the drought has become very frequent. So climate change is there to make actually their lives very difficult. Yeah. So and one thing we do is to ensure that we put our members in a position to be able to understand the reason why we have to prioritize climate change interventions, both from a personal level, household level, to a community level and a government position. So what we do, we build capacity in terms of the dynamics of climate change, having that understanding, and as well as putting them in a position that they can advocate. Being an advocacy institution, we are very keen to build the capacity of the communities to be able to influence policy from county government position to national government position, and even at the international level, because we are very keen in terms of following policy actions at the international level.
Na tukiri o maũndũ-inĩ megemainie na kũgarũrũka kwa rĩera, nĩrona arĩithi a mahiũ nao kuma thĩinĩ wa kaunti ya Tana River nĩ mahĩmbĩirie ũrĩmi na nĩ thutha wa ũgarũrũku wa rĩera ũrĩa ũtũmĩte gũkorwo na ng'aragu na kinyagia nyamũ ciao gũkorwo cigĩkua, na kũringana na arĩa marĩtie nĩ monanĩtie gĩkeno kĩnene na nĩ thutha wa mũrũgamĩrĩri wa atumia kuma thĩinĩ wa kaunti ĩyo Abdullahi Amina Dika gũkorwo akĩmanyitĩrĩra na kũmarehera mbegũ na macini cia kũmateithĩrĩria harĩ ũrĩmi.
Ile jambo ambayo imenifurahisha zaidi ni kuona wafugaji wengi pia wamebadili nia ya kuwa wakulima. Ni kwa sababu gani? Wafugaji unapata mara nyingi wamekuwa wakiweka mifugo. Lakini climate change imekuja in a way that drive watu from kufuga na sasa imeingia ukulima. Na sisi kwetu ni advantage kubwa sana kama watu wa Tana River because tuko na hii ardhi.
Mimi safari yangu ya ukulima ilianza mwaka juzi wakati ukame mbaya ile iliyokuja kutufagilia ng'ombe zote. Hapo ndio nikachange maoni yangu ya ufugaji, nikaanza kuingia mambo ya ukulima. Kuanzia hapo nimepata changamoto kubwa sana. Ukulima ya huku sisi tunataka kulima saa hii, kujitolea kwa hali na mali. Lakini shida kubwa ya sehemu hii ambayo tuko ni barabara. Hasa ukitoka huku barabara kuu kuja huku kivuko ya Dibe. Tunaomba serikali kuu kiwezekana biriji ijengwe immediately kwa sababu ya huduma yetu ya huku.
Wamama walipolia sana, wamesema ukulima, nimesema wacha nije nione, na pia ministry, national government wameni support na seeds. Tumekuja leo tumewaletea seeds ya hoho, tumewaletea sukuma, tumewaletea spinach, tumewaletea pojo, na hiyo itawasaidia sana kwa kiwango kikubwa. Kwa hivyo ni furaha kubwa ya kuwa mimi personally nimeona, na ningependa hapa kuna potential ya kufita na river nzima. Na ile bidii leo nimeona hapa ni bidii kama kiongozi na pia kama national government ikisimama na sisi watu wa Tana River, sidhani kama tutakuwa tunaenda kutafuta chakula kwingine.
Tugithie na mbere ni ati ikundi ngurani cia gutetera ihoto cia muingi kuma kaunti-ini ya Nakuru ni monanitie kuyurwo ni haho kurumirira ndumiriri ya mungano wa Azimio iria maugite ati ni magagia gukorwo magicokerera mirurungano muthenya wa rucio kiharo-ini gia Kamukunji Deretiria, na ndumiriri iria ifatie gukorwo kana merigirire gukorwo magikiheana muthenya wa rucio. Guku makiuga kungikorwo mirurungano ni gukorwo igicokereria ni kuga ati onjoria aingi maya gukorwo makiurwo ni mawira mao ona ningi indo cia gukorwo cikianangwo.
Tunaomba Inspector General achukue hatamu zake vikikamilifu kwa sheria, aweze kuturindia maisha yetu sisi wakina baba na wakina mama na watoto, haswa wakati huu ambao watu wote wanakubali kuona challenges ambazo zinazidi kusolviwa na government. Tunaomba hayo maandamano yasitizwe kabisa na yasiweko, kwa sababu already budget allocation imesha somwa. Tunastahili tugojee kama kweli vile wanavyosema kuhusiana na maisha hayo, kwa sababu budget imesomwa na imediscussiwa parliament. We have to give the parliament what it has endorsed a chance to be experimented. I think there is a knave, is a political knave mahali fulani, na hiyo ndio polisi wanastahili kutuangalilia. Ikiwa kwa parliament wale wote waliochaguliwa walikuwa kwa parliament na wamepitisha ile budget, lakini kwa wakati huu tunangojea kuvuna na kulima na kwenda kazini, tusistatizwe tena.
Jambo hili ni jambo ambalo si halifai katika hasa kwa nchi ya Kenya kwa wakati huu, maana tayari budget imesomwa, na hii budget imesomwa kwa ajili ya wananchi wa Kenya ili waweze kuangazia mambo ya 2023 na 2024 ili tuweze kuwa na maendeleo ambayo inakabidi shida za wananchi hasa wa chini na wale ambao wako katika viwango ambavyo wanahitaji msaada wa nchi ya Kenya. Vijana ambao wanaandaliwa kwa ajili ya huo maandamano, tafadhali naomba mjiepushe nayo, maana hakuna chochote ambacho mtapanda ndani, ni aibu na shida ambazo mnajitafutia kwa ajili ya wananchi wa Kenya.
Usidanganywe, hakuna mtu ndani, lakini hiyo rana inatukula leo. Inabidi nyinyi vile mko hapa.
Bunge amwe wa Kenya Kwanza na makiria kuma kaunti-ini ya Embu matongoretio ni mubunge wa mbere ya Rugongo Joyfrey Ruku ni moritie atongoria amwe wa Azimio gukorwo makirongoreria maundu maria mari ma kiguni kuri muingi na gukorwo matakwikirira mirurungano iria ikoretwo iri ya hathara nene kuri Akenya. Ruku aheanite ndumiriri ino hindi ya uheani wa basari cukuru-ini ya Kanyabora uria wi mbere ya Rugongo kana mbere ya Rugongo, akiuga ndereti ya Kîgîna ni guteithiriria mutongoria wa bururi William-Ruto gukinyaniria ciraniro ciake hari thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza.
na mikutano na demonstration na vitisho na vitina ambayo umekuwa nayo miaka nenda miaka rudi, haitasaidia Wakenya na chochote. Raila Odinga umefanya kazi safi. Umeenda pale Kisumu kusidua mpango ya wazee, the elders, Rural Council of Elders. I think that is the job which you are supposed to be doing in the Republic of Kenya, trying to unveil different kinds of elders, because you are an elder. You should not be planning demonstrations and rallies to disturb the government of Kenya. What you should be doing, Raila Odinga and Martha Karua and Musyoka, start unveiling different kinds of elders as you are doing today.
Maandamano tulisema kama ni kuandamana, tuandamane viwanjani kwa michezo tucheze. Hakuna haja ya kuandamana kwa barabara doing a lot of sweet nothings. Sema tena. Tuandamane tutafute chakula, tuandamane tutafute talanta, tuandamane tupatie vijana na wamama pesa, tuandamane katika viwanja tujue talanta ziko wapi, tuandamane tukuze talanta zetu.
Tugitigana na kaunti ya Embu tuthie kaunti ya Garissa, na guku ni kuria gavana wa kaunti ya Garissa Nadhif Jama akoretwo agithingatithia na kuga ati aria makoragwo makiheo kandarathi na aria makoragwo makiheo kandarathi cia gwaka mabarabara ma muingi kaunti-ini iyo matigukorwo makiunirwo ritho, na nigetha makorwo makirumirira mitaratara iria yagirirwo hakinya ni horo wigi uheani wa kandarathi, akiuga makiria thiini wa tabarira ya waki wa mabarabara egukorwo igitigirirwo andu othe ni maiga uigiririki, na arakorirwo akiaria miario ino hari waki wa barabara wa kilomita 1.6, na akiuga gutire mwene kandarathi o wothe ukuruta wira utakinyaniirie agukorwo akirihwo ni thirikari yake.
This is a very important project, and as you can see, this road, which you guys know very well, has been a road that has really difficult for the people of this area of Garissa Township for many years. Very important road which feeds a big chunk of the town, has been under bad conditions for many years. So we've decided today to, after doing several times or doing it into maram status was not helpful. So what we've decided now actually is to improve it to bitumen status, lami as we call it. And therefore, really, we believe it's a very important project, given that it serves a number of the manyatas in the town. It's a 1.6 kilometer, development of bitumen, and we believe this is just the beginning of a number of other roads for Garissa Township as well to be done into bitumen status. As the town grows, it also improves the drainage, given that this also is a place where whenever there is big rainfall, we see a lot of water passing through the area. So all I can say is that really this again is just a translation of the little bits that we continue doing for devolution, and therefore we can simply say this again is translation of devolution at work. Well, the contractors, I think, now know very well what it means to do good work. They already know very well, unlike what could have happened before. Any contractor who now does not do a good job, definitely not only will be blacklisted, but will also take all necessary legal action against him. So that much they know very well, and I have confidence in the contractors that do a good job.
Riu tuingira thiini wa mathako hari Gikunjuro kia Muthingi TV na mutwarithia wa ngari cia safari rally na uria unyitirwo ni KCB na Kil Sachania nĩ atanyĩtwo gũkorwo akĩhotana mbĩtĩka iria itanyĩtwo gũgakorwo igĩtabanio kana kũhanĩka mwena wa Nanyuki, na mũthaki ũyũ arahotanire kana ũrĩa arahotire gũkorwo akĩgwatĩra namba 3 harĩ mbĩtĩka iria irarĩ mwena wa Naivasha, na kũrĩa arakorirwo akiuga nĩ akenetio nĩ maumĩrĩra mau. Amwe araugire kĩrarĩ kĩmwe gĩa kĩhĩtahĩtano kĩrarĩ kĩritũ mũno thĩinĩ wa thĩ yothe.
It was it's amazing achievement, especially it being a safari and a third. We did have some issues in the stage, especially in Oserian. We lost a lot of time. I think maybe we would have been second, and we were lying pretty well up in the WRC category as well. I think we finished 21st overall, if I'm not mistaken. But it's a hell of an achievement. A very, very tough day today was, but I'm very